Your boss wants an AI teammate, not just you. Adapt or be replaced. Your next performance review might not ask how you performed, but how well you worked with your AI coworker, and if that sounds strange, you're already behind. GitHub Copilot now writes up to 46% of developers' code. That's not assistance, that's co-production. The World Economic Forum has identified this as a $6 trillion opportunity, and companies are already restructuring entire teams around AI teammates. This isn't theoretical, it's operational reality. Whether you're in marketing, operations, or finance, the expectations have fundamentally shifted. Your manager doesn't just want your output, they want AI-augmented performance. The question isn't whether you'll work with AI, it's whether you'll do it strategically enough to remain valuable. But what exactly separates those who will thrive from those who will be replaced? You'll see the exact vulnerability hierarchy in 60 seconds. We're entering a new era of collaborative intelligence. AI tools aren't just automation systems anymore, they're becoming embedded members of teams across industries. The implications are more severe than most realize. First, AI collaboration isn't merely a technical skill, it's becoming a core job requirement. Second, those who resist integration won't just stagnate, they'll be actively outcompeted by hybrid workers. And third, your performance evaluation metrics are changing. It won't be how did you perform, but rather how effectively did you leverage AI. While mainstream career advice still focuses on technical skills like learn-to-code, insiders are developing AI fluency ethical frameworks and hybrid workflow architectures. Most career coaches remain fixated on individual productivity, completely missing the seismic shift. Collaborative performance between human and machine is the emerging benchmark. Now, which tier is your job in? Let's break down exactly who's vulnerable. Tier 1. Routine task roles. Data entry, reporting, administrative coordination. These roles are highly susceptible. AI handles them faster, cheaper, 24/7. If your job consists primarily of these functions, you're facing imminent replacement. Tier 2. Knowledge worker roles. Marketing, sales, customer service, finance. These roles are, rapidly becoming hybridized. Human plus AI performance isn't just a bonus anymore, it's the expectation. Your value is increasingly judged by how well you can leverage AI to amplify your output. Tier 3. Strategic and creative oversight roles. Leadership positions, they remain safer, but there's a critical caveat here, only if they're paired with AI literacy and direction-setting capability. The executive who can't effectively direct AI systems will, honestly, soon be replaced by one who can. If you've been told your job is AI-proof, you're being set up for replacement. The evidence is already here. AI answering 90% of customer service queries, generative AI tools replacing junior designers, and legal AI outperforming entire teams of lawyers on contract reviews. Oh, these aren't forecasts for 2030. Nope, they're features rolling out in 2025. So, what are the 3 career paths that can turn this whole AI threat into an opportunity? And, which one fits your current position? You see, within this disruption lies strategic opportunity. The winners, they'll position themselves right at the intersection of human judgment and AI capability. Strategic opportunity zones include augmented creativity. Think marketers and writers who use AI for ideation and iteration. AI workflow. Orchestration project managers who integrate AI teammates into team workflows, decision support leadership, analysts who direct AI-generated insights into actionable strategies. The human-AI fusion model is, your strategic framework. 1. The prompt architect. Ask the right questions that AI can effectively answer. 2. The sensemaker. Interpret, validate, and contextualize AI outputs. And 3. The ethical gatekeeper. Apply human judgment where AI lacks nuance or ethical capacity. But who's already capitalizing on this shift? The professionals who adapted early are now commanding salaries of over $300,000 in these emerging roles. These aren't rare unicorn positions, they're multiplying exponentially. Prompt engineers, AI implementation managers, digital workflow designers, and companies are paying premium salaries because they can't find enough qualified people who understand both the human and AI sides of the equation. Here are your 3 strategic pathways. Path 1, from overwhelmed to augmented expert, designed for mid-career professionals. Meet David. He's a mid-level marketing manager who, not too long ago, was drowning in content production demands. Last year he secretly integrated tools like Claude and Mid-Journey into his workflow. Now he's producing 4 times the output with even better results. His company sees him as indispensable, not because of his individual skills but because of his ability to orchestrate AI-human collaboration. Steps to follow. First, audit your repetitive tasks and systematically delegate them to AI. For example, use ChatGPT to generate first drafts of your content calendar, automate routine data analysis with Python scripts, and let AI handle meeting summaries. Next, master the art of prompt engineering to extract precisely what you need, not vague requests but structured inputs that yield implementable outputs. And finally, develop a signature hybrid workflow that produces results no human or AI could achieve alone. Path 2. From Manager to AI Navigator, tailored for team leaders and operations professionals. Consider Elena. As a project manager, she began to notice her role was becoming, well, a little obsolete. But instead of resisting, she positioned herself as the AI implementation specialist for her team. She built frameworks for how designers, developers, and strategists could effectively leverage AI, and within just 6 months, she was promoted to oversee AI integration across her entire organization. Steps to follow. Start by identifying high-value workflows that are ripe for AI augmentation. Map out your current processes, quantify the time spent on repetitive tasks, and calculate the ROI of AI implementation. Then, develop metrics that accurately measure human-AI collaborative performance, tracking both efficiency gains and quality improvements. And lastly, create training protocols that transform AI-resistant team members into hybrid powerhouses, complete with specific tool recommendations and integration checkpoints. Path 3. From craftsperson to human differentiator, aimed at creative professionals. Think about Marcus. As a creative writer, he initially feared that AI would make his skills obsolete. But then, he realized something crucial. Clients don't just want content, they want distinctive voices that reflect their brand's humanity. Now Marcus uses AI to handle structure and research, while focusing his talent on emotional resonance and cultural nuance, things AI simply can't replicate. Steps to follow. Use AI for drafting and iteration, but make sure to infuse it with your human vision. For example, let Claude structure your article outlines while you add the emotional depth and experiential insights. Next, develop a signature style that combines AI efficiency with your unique perspective. Create templates that blend AI-generated frameworks with your distinctive creative elements. And finally, master the art of pitching AI-enhanced creativity as a strategic advantage. Show clients how your hybrid approach delivers both scale and authenticity. Whether you're a David, an Elena, or a Marcus, there's one thing they all did. They acted before the market forced their hand. You think your job is safe because it's strategic, but what happens when your boss pairs AI with someone 30% less experienced than you, but 300% more AI adaptive? The calculus is brutal. A junior employee who masterfully leverages AI often outperforms a senior employee who doesn't. Companies are already making these calculations in hiring and retention decisions. The fatal error is incremental adaptation. Those who merely use AI occasionally or try to keep up will be the first eliminated. The market doesn't reward participation, it rewards transformation. You think your job is safe because it's strategic, but what happens when your boss pairs AI with someone 30% less experienced than you, but 300% more AI adaptive? The calculus is brutal. A junior employee who masterfully leverages AI often outperforms a senior employee who doesn't. Companies are already making these calculations in hiring and retention decisions. The window to position yourself strategically is closing rapidly. Early adopters aren't just surviving, they're reshaping entire organizational structures. And while you're debating whether to use AI, others are building careers around orchestrating it. Ask yourself 3 critical questions. First, are you using AI daily as a core production tool, and not just as an occasional assistant? Second, have you identified the exact functions of your role that AI could replace and, well, strategically evolve beyond them? And third, can you demonstrate measurable results from your human-AI collaboration? If you're not adapting your workflows by now, chances are someone already is. And yeah, they just applied for your job. The professionals who wait will watch this video again, but from a very different place. A place where they no longer choose if they work with AI, only whether AI chooses them. You won't be replaced by AI, you'll be replaced by someone who knows how to use it better than you.